While wearing braces, it's really important to look after your teeth and gums. There are many tiny spaces around the braces that are difficult to keep clean. Food can get stuck really easily and plaque can start to develop. Brushing effectively will help reduce the soreness of your teeth, encourage them to move more quickly, and prevent decay. There are some things you should avoid eating while you've got braces on. You should avoid eating very hard foods, such as ice and bread crusts, sticky foods like toffee, bubblegum or Minties, and sweet things such as Coca-Cola and sports drinks. You should also avoid foods such as beetroot, dark berries, curry sauces, and coffee, as these will increase the staining around your braces. You should keep objects that may damage your braces away from your mouth to avoid lengthening treatment time. Don't chew on things like pencils or paper clips, or suck your thumb. A common cause of breakage is water bottles with pop lids. Biting on them can pop brackets off. Let's talk about brushing. It's especially important to use the correct brushing technique when you've got braces. You should clean each tooth one by one, moving from one side of the mouth to the other. If you are using a manual toothbrush, start by placing the bristles at a 45-degree angle to the gum line and moving the brush in a small circular motion. Continuing this motion, focus on cleaning the top and bottom of the wire at 45-degree angles. This way, you can reach every surface around your brackets before brushing the outside surface, inside surface, and chewing surface of the tooth. Then you can move on to the next tooth. When using an electric toothbrush, remember that the brush will do most of the work for you. You just need to make sure that it touches each surface of your teeth and braces. Place the bristles on the back of the tooth, then on the middle of the tooth, and then the front, angling the brush around the curvature of the tooth. Also, angle the brush up and down into the braces. We recommend using a fluoride toothpaste, as braces put your teeth at a higher risk of decay. Brush at least twice a day, once after breakfast and once after dinner. If you can, also brush after lunch, or if you can't, rinse your mouth with water to help maintain your teeth throughout the day. There are some tools that can help clean your teeth more thoroughly. Super floss is a type of floss with a rigid tip that can be inserted under the wire to clean between your teeth. You can also use a small end tuft brush, which is a tiny toothbrush that helps get into smaller spaces. Interdental brushes like Pixters are a great portable option for cleaning around your brackets on the go. Keep your teeth and braces nice and clean, and that will make for a very smooth orthodontic treatment, leaving you with a nice, beautiful smile.